In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly search and open notes in Obsidian on mobile. Let's start right from the beginning. Open the Obsidian app on your device. If you're new to Obsidian, think of it as a powerful, flexible notebook that organizes your ideas inside something called a vault. A vault is simply a folder that holds all your notes and attachments in one place. On the home screen, tap the vault you'll be working on. If you use more than one vault, pick the one that contains the notes you want to search. After selecting it, tap Open Vault. This loads your workspace so you can access everything inside that vault. Once the vault opens, look to the top left and tap the square icon. This is the sidebar toggle, and it's your quick way to show or hide the navigation panel. If the sidebar is already visible, you'll still tap it here to follow along, but the key idea is that the sidebar needs to be open for the next step. At the top of the sidebar, just above your vault name, you'll see different panes. By default, Obsidian shows the Files view, which lists your folders and notes. For searching, switch from Files to the Search pane by tapping Search. If you don't immediately see Search, make sure you're looking at the tabs near the top of that sidebar area and that the panel is expanded. With the search view selected, you're ready to look for what you need. Tap into the search field and type the word or phrase you want to find. Use clear specific terms to narrow down results. Obsidian will scan your notes in this vault and start showing matches as you type. If your phrase is unique or you include a couple of distinctive words, you'll get to the right note faster. As results appear, browse the list and look for the note that best matches what you're after. Each result will display the note title and often a helpful snippet around the matching text so you can quickly confirm you found the right spot. When you see the note you want, simply tap it to open. The note will load immediately and you can start reading, editing, or continuing your work from there. That's all there is to it. Open Obsidian, pick your vault, show the sidebar, switch to the search pane, type your query, and tap the result to jump straight into the note you need. With this simple flow, you'll spend less time hunting and more time creating.